Okay. Right. Yeah, it's going to be a little bit big, wider than an A3 or taller than an A3, whatever. It's like that. So now we're just going to choose this. Glossy, text enhance. Make it dark text. This will be an interesting one. We're just going to leave that on standard. I'm just going to go here, edit color. I'm going to reverse it. And we're going to go here. And let's see what we're going to do. We're going to use this. Contrast. Oh, we can't use contrast with brightness. See, the brightness is gone now. So easy to make these errors. And now we're just going to go copy density to keep the contrast, as well as darken the image. And the sharpness. I wonder if we're going to make it different. We're going to keep away from the sharpness. We're going to make it look a bit more retro. And the colour. So what are we going to do with the black? We're going to strip the black from this one. And I think leave all the other colours in play. We're going to do this one a little bit different. So we're just going to get it. And hopefully it'll be an interesting result. So what do we have here? We have an album called Moog Rock. And again, the Moog refers to the synthesizer used. This is again a record that came out, trying to see what I won't bother, but this came out I think in the early 70s, and basically that was when the Moog synthesizer was becoming popularised. But basically it's something from the baby boomers time. I'm a Generation X. I was born in 1973. I didn't look at when this record was made, but I think it was made in the early 70s. So I was either not born or I was just a little bub. But I've learned to appreciate some of this music. It sounds pretty daggy, but it's quite nice music. But basically, oh shit, look at that. That's terrible. Look at that. That's appalling. There's virtually nothing on that fucking page. What the fuck is that? Moog Rock? What the fuck happened to it? Shit. And I think my positioning on the glass. What did I do wrong? I forgot one thing. And that is I was meant to reduce it from A3 to A4. So we're just going to put that there. And we're going to somehow work on this. I think because this image is mostly composed of black more than anything else. And taking out the black or stripping the black means that because it's made mostly out of black and none of the other two colours, the black got lost. So now we're just going to put the black back and we'll see a difference. Now I'm wondering, well, if we made it black and white, we'd end up not being able to use saturation or some of the other features. But we're just going to sharpen it up as well, as we normally do. But you can see there, that's a demonstration of what happens when you take all the black out on a Konica Minolta machine, like this one. So this is an interesting experiment, even though I didn't intend for it to happen. I thought there'd be colours underneath it, like a layer of colour underneath the black. But as it turned out in this case, there wasn't. So that's why we had almost a blank image, and also we didn't reduce it, so it couldn't fit all onto the A4 page. So it's easy to make mistakes, or should I say errors, with photocopiers, and most people would probably not know how to sort it out. But anyway, that's an interesting result. I like that effect. I'm wondering if maybe we could add some colour to it, or would it be any good? I think we'll just add some colour, but I do like the black and white. It looks really good. Let's see what we can do with this thing. Or maybe we can go and make it single colour. I wonder if we're going to go single colour and see what happens. We're just going to start with red. So we're going to do red, and then we're going to go with the other colours. So this will be pure colour. That black and white is not pure black and white, but it's mostly made up of black, so therefore we don't have much colour, a negligible amount. But we're just going to turn this into a 3-colour demo, or sort of say a single colour demo with each of the. These are not the processed colours. These are the RGB, which is a different set altogether. Like the red is composed of magenta and yellow, so it's the two of the processed colours together. So that's the red. So red is made up of yellow and magenta, and we're going to go to blue. Blue is made up of cyan, and just trying to think, cyan and magenta make blue. So we're going to punch that one out as a blue. So here it goes. We're just going to punch that out as a blue. Okay, originals left on original glass. Yeah. So this one's going to come out of blue. So there we have it. We got blue. That's a really nice result. There we go, blue. And the next one, the final one, is going to be green. Green is made up of cyan and yellow. So green is made... No, we're not going to yellow, silly idiot. I was meant to go to green. So green is made up of yellow and cyan. So here we go. One more time. This demo is a little bit prolongated. We just changed tack spontaneously. I was hoping there'd be a little bit of colour on this, on the black and white image, but obviously there isn't. And we just decided to do something a little bit more different. So here comes the green, and here comes the green. Out it comes, and we have here green. So there we have it, Moog Rock.